Hey guys, guess what? My new Evo tent just arrived today. Got another one, and here it is. I actually ended up going with the same tent because I really did like it, and guess what, I upgraded it to the thermal tent. So this one is the IT Evo 1 IT, and check this out. This box came in very good shape. It doesn't look like it's been opened. Still has the original staples everywhere. Check that out. The other box was completely open, had tape coming around. I know somebody else returned it and didn't say nothing. It ain't Sportsman's fault either. I mean, they usually just have a procedure they have to follow probably. So this box is in great shape. I'm glad. Still just gotta check the inside. Make sure everything's good and brand new, and I'm hoping everything's okay, you know, crossing my fingers. But yeah, there it is, folks. I'm not gonna be able to put this all together because I don't have my tripod. There's my dog back there, Pebbles. Pebbles, what are you doing? She's just licking herself. Anyways, I'm just gonna grab some wrenches, open this up, and I'll try to record as I go. So here it is, folks. It's all out of the box, and it seems like everything's in here that should have been in here. That one box with all the stuff inside, I'm assuming all the stuff is inside of there, just like the last time. So they did a pretty good job of putting everything inside that little box. This is the only thing I'm worried about. If this tent is in good shape, then we're good. Alright, here we go. Look at this. Got all the framework done. Chairs installed. That's all done back there. Now for the big moment. But look at this. The last one I got, the regular one, did not have this bag. So this one does. It's nicely wrapped. And look, it still has the original tape underneath of the bottom. So I have good faith that this one's going to be in good shape. Oh yeah. So let me get down to it. I'm going to put this top on because it's getting late. So I want to get this done. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna inspect this. It's pretty clean. Look at how clean this one is. Oh my gosh. This is kind of where that other one was damaged. So look at that. See the pole there? It's not sticking out. Good job. This one looks good. So far so good, folks. Alright, let me unfold this because I can't do both at the same time. Alright, there it is. She's put together. I inspected most of it. Look at how clean this is. Oh my god, I could actually see through the windows. That last one was super filthy. But let me here, at least this flashlight. You can see inside. This ain't the best flashlight either, but there she is. Boy, this one is pretty dark. And I got the same tent, but I did upgrade to to the insulated tent, and this is the insulated one, so it's awesome tent. I like it. Can't wait to go try it. Now that I know this one's in good shape, I'm gonna go to Home Depot tomorrow, get some rope for that, because I don't know if I mentioned in the last video, the rope they give you kind of sucks. Then again, I think that it's all the same on all of them. But yeah, here we go, folks. It's all done. Alright, so I'm up here at Evergreen, and guess what? I'm trying out my new tent today, and I already caught one little tiny trout, but we're trying today, so check it out. Woohoo! First fish, Evergreen Lake. Got another one. This is a decent sized one. Woo-hoo, look at that. Nice rainbow. Put him back. Put him back. Look at that guy. Woo-hoo. Huge.